welcome back to Baking Soda Kitchen. Today we're going to be making an asparagus stir fry. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to Baking Soda Kitchen for interesting recipes. Now, here are the ingredients required for today's stir fry. Here's the overlook of all the ingredients. We're going to need some pepper and chili flakes for seasoning. And then we will need one bunch of asparagus. Next, we need 3 cloves of garlic that I've chopped. And then lastly, some oil for frying. Now let's get cooking. In a pan over medium heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Any oil is fine. Whichever oil you prefer, you can use. In the oil, I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic and then saute until the garlic turns aromatic. It's sizzling away, it's cooking really well, and then I'm just going to use a spatula and then just saute it. Next, we're going to add our asparagus. And then now we're going to do the chef toss. We're going to toss it like a chef in our pan. Luckily, no asparagus fell out. Next up, we're going to add our seasoning. Add salt to taste. And then add chili flakes. If you like your asparagus to be more spicy, add more. But honestly, chili flakes are not that spicy, so you can add quite a bit. And then our last seasoning is some freshly ground pepper. Add it to your preference because there's already chili flakes in this recipe, so don't add too much, if not it will be too spicy. Just give it a good mix around. Make sure all the asparagus is well coated in the seasoning. And that's pretty much it, but now we're just going to have to simmer it for 8 minutes. I'm going to cover and simmer this for 8 minutes until the asparagus is well cooked. After around 8 minutes, you can just check if it's cooked by taking one out and trying it. It will still be a little bit crunchy. So now this is really good. It's well cooked and still crunchy. Make sure it doesn't turn soggy, so don't overcook it. And that's about perfect. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this stir fry. See you next time and subscribe to Baking Soda Kitchen. Bye!